YouTubers, welcome back. Had another big mailing day here. Looks like down for sounds, multiple items again. I'm excited. I don't know what's what. I do know the last video though wasn't anything for the Dodge but the deadener, so let's hope we got some Dodge items here. Unfortunately, I don't know if we do. I almost forgot I even ordered these. It looks like we've got the Sundown Neo Pro 65 version 3s here. Quick cut through there. See what we got. That's what's in the box. Comes with a grate. Thing to have. Oh, you got the Neo Pro itself. Wow, it's a great looking carbon fiber cone. Let's see what the inside looks like here. Take it, put that bag. You guys really bag them up. Did notice this was made in China, so this one isn't coming from Claremont, North Carolina. Wow, quality's pretty good. There's a big old carbon fiber cone. Got a little bit of magnet on the back. It must be that nano. Makes it that way. And then it's got big Sundown terminals. Looks like they'll take a 12 gauge for sure. So right here we got the Sundown Nano Pro 65 version 3. 4 ohms. We're going to be hooking this up. This will be in the Honda, so I guess this is more Honda stuff. Once again, Honda's going to be all Sundown, so what's in this box? Oh, there goes that one. Looks like I need to order another one, John. Give me another one of them. It's a bad fall. And let's see what else we got here. Oh, this is, here we go. This is the Dodge. Had to get another set, duck bonds. Man, wow. These are the 6.5 death bonds, the Arnolds. The other day we opened up the Sylvesters. I bought those with the combo pack. Let's see what's different here. Same packaging. Get your sticker, your manual. Let's see one of these bad boys here. Wow, those are heavy. Whoa. Yeah, these are definitely nasty. So, there you go. You got the Def Bonds, the Arnold version 2. Big magnet on the back there. Stamped steel case. Good looking speaker. Actually, I've got the Sylvesters here on the ground if you want to do a quick comparison. Relatively similar on the front, a little bit different surround foam on them. Flip them over. It's definitely a lot bigger difference. You can see there in the magnets. Just size wise here. Sylvester, you got the Arnold. They're 6.5 by Def Bonds. Give you a little bit of, tell you what the difference is. I think one of them's like maybe 120 watt max or something. You guys have to look that up. I'm not even sure here. So yeah, the Arnold here is 200 RMS, 400 max. This one here I think is 300, 180 for the Sylvester. So that's the difference there. A little bit different size. Duff bonds. Put them back. Now, excited. That is definitely an item for the Dodge. And then we got one more package here. Really wondering what this one is. Got so much stuff I've ordered off there. Just really don't know what's coming on anymore. But we're gonna have this thing put together. We're not playing games this season. Oh, this is the DD1 and the CC1. That's right. Got all these amps. And now we gotta have a way to, I guess, adjust them. So we got here, we got the DD1. Show everybody what comes with it. It's the box. Got the SD DD1 distortion detector. And we got the crossover calibrator here. Samuel Steve Madden CC1. Well, YouTubers, stay tuned. We will be getting this all installed eventually. Got a couple more items to come in. Sky High's got some packages. Need some 2-watt. Got a lot of connectors still to come in. Believe I do have some more packages from Down for Sound coming in, and then a mystery package, which I don't know what it is, but I'll keep you guys up to date. Stay tuned. Like, subscribe. Let me know how I'm doing.